Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn something called data science. I promise by the end of this video you will be able to understand it completely even if you have never ever heard of this word before. We will go step by step slowly with simple examples. Let's begin. What is data? So let's break down these two words into two small words. That is data and science. First, what is data? Data is simply any information that you can write down or count is data. For example, your name, your age, number of chocolates you ate today. All of this is data. So, data is equals to any information. For example, name, age, chocolates eaten. Let's understand what is data diagrammatically. Data is any information that you can write down. For example, name is Ria, age 10 years, number of chocolates eaten today is 3. What is science? What does science means here? Science simply means studying something carefully, step by step, to understand it better. So, when we put two words together, that is data and science. Data science means studying information carefully to find out something interesting or useful. Now let's understand what does data science means diagrammatically. Data means information. Science means studying carefully, which is equivalent to data science. So data science is nothing but studying information carefully to find something useful is data science. Let's understand this with the simplest example possible, an ice cream shop. Imagine your friend owns a small ice cream shop. They notice something that on hot sunny days they sell a much more ice cream, whereas on the cooler days they sell much lesser. And that's it. That noticing is the very first part of data science. Now, let's let's understand it diagrammatically. Hot sunny days, 25 ice cream were sold. Shop was super busy. On the other hand, on cool cloudy day, 5 ice creams was sold. Shop was quiet. What is pattern? Let's understand it. Now your friend notices this is happening again and again. Every time it's hot, more ice creams was sold. Every time it's cool, a few ice creams was sold. When something happens again and again in the same way, we call that pattern. Finding pattern is the second step of data science. Let's understand it diagrammatically. What is pattern? Pattern is nothing but something that repeats every time. When weather was mild, 5 ice cream was sold. When weather was warm, only 12 ice cream was sold. When weather was hot, 25 ice creams were sold. what is prediction? Now, here comes the most powerful part. By now, your friend knows this pattern. Even without looking at the weather, they can make a smart guess. If tomorrow is going to be a super hot, I should make more ice creams. That smart guess about the future based on a pattern is called prediction. And that is one of the final steps of data science. What is prediction? Let's understand it diagrammatically. Prediction is nothing but it's a smart guess about the future. I want to predict the sales of my ice creams for tomorrow. If weather looks very hot, based on my pattern, based on the last understanding, on hot days, I was making I was selling more ice creams. Means I was making more money because my more ice cream was sold on the hotter days. So based on the pattern, last pattern on hot days, my more sales was there. So I can predict if my weather is hotter today or is hotter tomorrow. I can make probably 35 ice creams using the last pattern. So now let's put it all together. Step 1, notice. Step 2, find pattern. Step 3, make a prediction. And that's it. That is all data science in its simplest way possible. Big companies like YouTube, Amazon, Swiggy, to name a few, do exactly just this, but with much, much larger amount of information. So, notice, pattern, prediction. This is all together, all these 3 steps is data science. Notice, pattern, prediction is that's all about data science. The 3 tools that data scientists use, they basically use 3 tools. Number 1, maths, to count and measure things correctly. Number 2, computer programming. They mainly use a language called Python to process the huge amount of or larger amount of information or data quickly. Number 3, knowledge. Knowledge about the topic that they are studying. For example, we saw an ice cream shop example earlier, or it may be weather information, or it may be a telecom data, or etc., or whatever the topic that they are studying about. So let's look at the Venn diagram for the same. Math. Computer program. Number 3, topic knowledge. Combination of all these 3 is data science. That's it. And that's everything you need to know to understand what data science is. Notice, find pattern, make a prediction using maths, computer programs, and knowledge. If this finally made a sense to you, hit subscribe and bell button. Stay tuned for my next video.